Mm. You're kind of being wild. Hi. No. I'm eating a fish. Mm-hmm. Fish. Say fish. Hi. Hi. Why are you making those funny noises? Huh? Mia, can you say hi? Mia. Mm-hmm. Can you say mama mama? Mama mama. 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 Can you say Dada? Dada. Dada. You waving hi to Dada? How about Nana? Can you say Nana? 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 You waving hi to Nana? Hi Nana. Can you say Grandpa? Grandpa? Can you blow a kiss? You're too distracted by your food, huh? So big. Are you waving? Hi. Hi. Casey. Hi. Hi. Fussy girl. Okay, say bye-bye. 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 Oh, you gonna clap? Yay! Where's your clap? You can't do it with food in your hands. It's kind of a clap. Yay! Okay, bye-bye. 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 You have fishies in both hands. Okay, bye-bye. 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 Oh, what's that? It's a clock.